Hey traders, hope you're all doing well and happy Monday. So, without wasting any time, let's quickly jump to our analysis with nat gas, gold, and crude oil today. And I'm going to quickly start with nat gas here. So, what do we have here? An awesome push up from my zone mentioned in my last video. Let me quickly show you what I've said in my last video so that you can understand the entries. Now, the price is at the good level of support. This is the level from where the price has bounced up in the past. Right here, if you see, the price has recently bounced up dramatically from here. And if you're lucky enough, if you have a bounce here, then manage your trades. Once your take profit one is hit, manage it until it hit the next level of resistance right here. This is a valid condition. We can also expect push up, back, and a double bottom. The reason I love double bottoms because with these type of pattern, I expect a very good reward to risk ratio. Awesome. So we did have two entry conditions in my last video. We did have an engulfing candle right here on 4 hour time frame. And if you follow me from couple of months, and then I take my entries on 4 hour and 1 hour time frame, and I also said that we can expect a double bottom action. Now going back on 1 hour time frame, right here. This is also what you learn in the priority group, and this is also what I mention in almost every single video here in my YouTube channel right here. What do you see here? A nice double bottom action. We have a pin bar here, a nice action. We have a green candle here to take our long trade, a good signal to take bullish trades. And for these type of trades, I always put my stop loss below rejection area. If you know how to take my trades, and if you have entered on 4 hour time frame using an engulfing candle, I keep my SL 180R, or I keep my SL below the wick, the lowest swing low candle. So this is how I place my stops and targets. So looking at that, we got an awesome push up from this double bottom pattern, and at this point the exact move happened as per my last video. If you remember, I have said that this could be our buy signal, this could be a bounce, and that could be a hit of 20 EMA here on Novanda. So exactly what I've said, that has happened right here. So I don't say that it will happen every single time. So do not take my words on it, and do not place everything only just because I've said that is possibly going to happen. If your analysis differs with my analysis, then please, you need to look your own analysis. This is how I take my personal trades, and this is how I use these zones for my personal trading, and this is what I teach you guys here on YouTube and on my priority group. Now, what to expect here? As you can see, we did have a bounce from this good level of support, and as you can see, the trend has been broken. The downtrend right here from quite a while, that has been broken here. So now what to expect from here moving forward? Now, if this candle closed above 20 EMA, then we have a likely chance that the price will hit 50 EMA. 50 EMA is at this point 6.051, but it will push down along with the price. So wherever the 50 EMA will be on your charts, if we have a break and close above, I'm expecting a push up to 50 EMA. Now for the reversal trade, if you're expecting a big reversal, if you entered here, you can manage your trades like I mentioned in my last video. Or once we are broken above 50 EMA, only then that will be an indication that market is likely to continue to push up from this level. So at this point, not selling until we are broken below this previous low. We can still expect a retest of the zone below before we can see another push up. Not selling net gas at this point. Similar condition here on Owanda. Once you have a break and close above 20 EMA, you can expect a push up to 50 EMA. And once we are broken above 50 EMA, only then we are going to look for reversal trade. So at this point, not selling net gas. Wait for the price to break and close above 50 EMA, and then we have a likely chance that the market will push up again. So that is it for net gas. Looks bullish from here at this point. Let's check gold. Right here. So we did have a push up around $13 after the break of 50 EMA, and I've said that we can expect a retest of this zone here as well. As you can see, we did have a retest at this point. Wait for the price to close above 50 EMA again, similar as net gas. Once we have a break and close above, I want to see few green candles before we can see a pullback and a continuation up to the next level, which I've mentioned in my last video, and which is, in case you have missed it, 1673. I want to see a hit of this zone to take my counter trades as a double bottoms or engulfers. So not selling gold until we are broken below 20 EMA. Once we are broken below 20 EMA, only then I will look for the selling opportunities. Let's quickly check crude oil. Right, so crude oil is just moving sideways, as you can see. But if you remember last video, from this candle, we did have a nice push down, and we are still in this zone, in the buying zone. So I would wait either for a breakout above 50 EMA, break and close above, or I want to see a breakout below this previous low to see the trend. If the market is likely to push down or push up, this is just a consolidation right here. We want to see a breakout above or breakout below to see the confirmation take over sell or buy trade. So at this point, I'm not selling or buying crude oil. I will wait for some conditions. Patience is the key. We need to see a confirmation out of the price. Once we have a confirmation, then we can go ahead and look for buying trades if we are broken above with a pullback, and sell trades if we are broken below with a pullback for continuation. So that is it for commodities here, guys. If you have any questions, you can buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.